Oh my god. Hi guys. Hi again. Ganda pa rin. Ganda pa rin niya guys.
Ano, naka-video ko? Hindi ko nakita. Hindi ko nakita. It's videoing.
Say hi. Hi, girl. Say hi to the camera, bro. Hi, camera.
Ingrid.
You say Louie? Louie. Nakita mo ba siya?
Bro, we're both here. What do you mean? I just want this body. I'm not only present. Stop doing this. Pissing me off. It's 6 a.m.
No, bro, it's not 6 a.m. It's 6:44. No, shut up. Masya na kayo ng ano, nagpasa na kay clearance?
Yes.
Mamaya na sa ano na, sa science time na. Science time. Take it back.
6 a.m. Don't pull this. Nuh-uh.
Wait. Okay guys. Clearance. Clearance. Ganun ka. Tingin ka sa akin. Kaya picture natin.
Hi guys. Good morning. This camera is less than 30% already, and we're gonna go down to get its charger, Type C charger. Where is the charger up here? Okay, let's go. Let's get it. It's videoing. The video is videoing.
Filipino people.
Imploring the aid of Almighty God.
Ito bagong gupit. Bagong gupit.
Sila.
Bagong gupit,
For
tapos.
the tulog sila.
Anong light? Tiyo na sila dito. Wait,
B. Hepa. I love the tickets. Yes, I can see it. I can. It's good.
Oh, this is this. Oh, so pretty guys. Oh my god. Hindi kayo siya.
We're gonna get the charger of this. Right now, the camera has Nox Hello Kitty.
Hindi mo nakikita yung caption.
Ano? Outsider na naman sa project. So, eto na po. Pupunta na po kami sa second floor, 201. Ano kinong oil books?
So, you know
Ito na
that
po
I
kami.
must I consider it.
Really?
Yung mo, she looks like Hello Kitty.
Yes. Oo. So, yan. May hepa po. So, this is in high saturation. It has a filter on high saturation.
Alam mo, baka pag nag-video ka, rinig na rinig kapag kami.
Okay. So, ayan na po. We're going down. This is less than 30%. So, we're gonna use it for a
Save siya
while.
kapag nag-power off.
Yes! Look, ang pungit ko agad. Pag madilim. Pangat niya pag madilim. Look, oh, we're black already. So yan, we're on second floor right now. We're taking a video. I'm gonna get my bag na. Kunin ko yung bag. Your choice. Your choice. Your choice. You can get.
Wala. Wala po. Should I also?
You can. Yes. Oh, I thought it's slow but not ready. So yan po, you can see us because it's in high saturation. So, we need light. Light in nida. Hey, we have come to light. You can see us
Sakit ng
now.
likod ko.
Sakit likod.
Dalawa charger bili ko.
Ay,
Hindi kasi may charger talaga si camera. So, ayun yung gagawin ko.
okay, let's do that.
Same color.
So now we're already at Akayin. Silid Akayin, everyone. That's our
Bakit akala?
Philippine. That's the late library. Sa library dati. High saturation. Article 5, suffrage. Article 6, legislative department. Article 7, executive department. Article 8, judicial department. Article 9, constitutional commissions. Article 10, local government. Article 11, accountability of public officers. Article 12, national economy and patrimony. Article 13, social justice and human rights. Article 14, education, science and technology.
Ay, hindi. Walang
And
end pa yun. Wala
tech-
pang end. Educational,
Science.
science, technology, and...
Education, science. Education, science, and technology, arts, culture, and sports. Article 15, the family. Article 16, general provisions. Article 17, amendments or revisions. Article 18, transitory provisions. Okay now guys, bye-bye.
Okay. We are
I'm gonna close this vlog because this is already 1 hour. So, bye-bye.
Just and unique society.
Ano naka-video? Picture lang ako. So, yan. Maglalaro na po kami.
Alam, video pa
It's
tayo
in high.
talaga. Tingnan mo
Yes,
yan.
naka-high saturation.
Ayoko niya.
Kasi si Kati.
Ay, these are the C.
Ano may mga awarding mo? School paper.
Ayun mo.
Ano ma'am? Lathalain,
Pinto
balita.
po.
Pinto mo.
Hindi, yung sa Masay. Ayun sa Masay, ma'am. Yung sa Masay yun eh. Yung ano yung radio and TV.
Yung sa naman Manila Science City ba, ma'am?
Ayun sa Manila.
Ayun mo. Ayun sa...
Yun na panalo natin, ma'am. Eh po kasi yan sa ano to eh, FEU to eh. Ayan ma'am, yung nasa baba, yung rank 1, pati rank 7.
Uy, ikaw.
Sili ko.
Yung mga nakapasok. Lagot. Oh, kapagod guys. Tara.
Diyan. Hindi si Sir. Wala si Sir Magana.
Di ba yun? Ba't ganyan, di? Nakatutok sa iba.
Sir Malyari din. Kasi Sir Malyari. Doon sila dumaan.
May map eh.
Doon si Sir Jenrique.
One, two, three, go!
Hello guys! Hala! Ano tawag niyo sa akin? Ano tawag niyo sa akin?
Hindi kasi siya mababreak agad. Ay, hindi siya ano. Ayun. Ah, sorry. You know. Huh?
Bakit?
Parang ano, mas spread. Don't you want
Not satisfying.
It is. Boom. Wow. Thank you. ASMR.
Miss Bessie.
Welcome ka man.
Okay, so we're
Hi, guys.
here at the San Pablo Church. Say hi to the camera. Okay, so we're gonna do vlog. This is why the fuck you know. Say hi to the camera, guys. Hi kayo. Hi kayo. Magay nga muna kayo. Hi. Magay ka. Magay ka. Hi ka.
Hey! Hey!
Say hi to the camera. Hi, say hi to the camera. Oh, look. I don't care, we're at the church and we're practicing our moving up.
Yes, we're gonna nagla-level up tayo.
Yeah, we're gonna level up. Say hi, say hi.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog guys. Hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi. Hey, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Sige na. Hi na, si Polison.
Kay, kay ano, Nazareno.
Bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Say hi to the camera. You're 16 now.
Pakita mo. Yan mo, iharap mo siya. Okay, ano yan? Magpapakita ko sa vlog. Suno. Yo guys, nandito kami ngayon sa simbahan. Aming ginagawa. Gogo. Gogo no, edit yan. Sorry kayo kung ako. Oh, ewan ko muna yung mga.
Say hi, say hi, say hi. Hi ka na daw.
Ayon sa pag-aaral artikulo
Unity
among multi-ethnic
Ay,